What is up, everybody, and just welcome back to this quick news segment. It might be a new series I do on the channel where I discuss some news about something that I feel like discussing. So today's video will be on the first details about, as you can tell, Sharknado 6. Yes, there are 6 of them now. There's no need joking about how there's 6 of them. That's an overused joke as it is. But this is a franchise I do really enjoy watching, and especially, like the hype that surrounds some of them. And, like the whole Sharknado week thing, they're a lot of fun to do, a lot of fun to watch, and I do quite enjoy the stories that these films can tell. And a lot of the batshit stupid shit. But, Bloody Disgusting has made a post about this, and I decided I would discuss the plot, the release date, and the first look poster as we see. There's no subtitle, there's no official title yet, just Sharknado 6. But I will read the plot synopsis. It was out of EFM, I don't know what exactly that is, but it's some type of place where they show all of this stuff. The plot is, this is following Sharknado 5, global swarming, of course. Spoiler alert, if you don't want it spoiled while you're watching this. But, at the end, everything goes to shit, the whole world is basically gone, and Finn has to go back in time and fix stuff with his son that is now older than him. So here's the plot synopsis. Okay. All is lost. Or is it? Finn unlocks the time-traveling power of the Sharknados in order to save the world and resurrect his family. In his quest, Finn fights Nazis, dinosaurs, knights, and even takes a ride on Noah's Ark. This time, it's not how to stop the Sharknados, it's when. And obviously it says, Terry, Ian Ziering, and Cassie Strebo will return, which is good to hear. And it says it will premiere on July 25th, 2018, obviously on the Sci-Fi Channel. So, opinions, I find this very interesting plot. It's a lot better than the last few plots. It introduces time travel. The last one introduced teleportation, which was interesting, but like a great thing. It just kind of made it so the Sharknados could go anywhere they desired. And, but in the poster itself, which, I seen a comment on this, post, it is basically Finn from the last movie, but he probably will wear a very similar attire to this. And I do like the background of it. It's just kind of oh, Back to the Future, electricity, and it just says Sharknado 6. This is not the final poster though, this is just some promo art basically. And I like that, everybody assumed dinosaurs would be involved, but Noah's Ark was really surprising. That's going to be kind of interesting, and knights and Nazis, and I assume a lot more. Maybe even, no, they wouldn't do that. They wouldn't, do, religious stuff. But maybe we'll see, a megalodon. Maybe that could be interesting. Maybe prehistoric sharks and anything else. Dinosaurs in a Sharknado. A T-Rex will be there. Maybe some other ones, too. And, but the stories of these films are actually quite good. And I feel like this will be the last one. If it isn't, maybe, I don't know if it's a great idea to keep continuing after 6. It's just it's just going to keep going farther and farther into insanity, farther and farther into repetitivity, and running out of ideas. So, but I'll stick with this franchise no matter what. But it feels like this is going to be the culmination, fixing the world, stopping the Sharknados forever, basically erasing them from human history. For some reason they're involved in history of the Earth, I don't know why. The only thing they never did in these movies was aliens, which they could if they wanted to. That's the only other really good idea they could have for another sequel. So, that's pretty much all. I'm very excited to finally get some first details and release date for, this film. Not only that, possibly Sharknado week. And, this is just very exciting. Especially with, there's been a lot of 6 films, been announced lately. There's Mission Impossible 6. This one, there's some other low-budget ones coming out. There's Tremor 6, which looks great, and Placid 6. Interesting, I guess. And there's a lot more sequels coming out this year, but low budget films, they're going higher now. This is awesome to see. And because I love shark movies, this franchise has actually played a surprising part in my childhood. And I do plan, when I get better at editing and stuff, actually doing an analysis of the entire Sharknado franchise. Just like trying to explain it all, because I like analysis, and that might be something fun to do. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully, I was planning on doing a Tremors 2 review this weekend. I might get to it, I might not. But anyways, I definitely hope to be finishing up the Tremors series soon, and even possibly reviewing some other films leading up to Meg. So, thanks for watching. This might become an annual series thing. I'm not for sure. If there's any movie news I want to discuss, I will do it on this. I'll probably just tell this NewsChat or something. So anyway, thanks for watching, and if you want to watch my other content, that's fine. It's not that great. This is kind of fun to do, and I'm trying to get better and better each time. And I do have a friend's channel, which probably on my Tremors 2 review, whenever I get that, I will leave the link to his channel. Me and him will do it, and also another friend every once in a while. And thank you for watching, and see you next time.